How to curl lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo grows incredibly slowly, which makes the process to curl the plants take quite some time. However, you don't have to buy an already curled lucky bamboo plant, which usually costs more. You can make your lucky bamboo plant curl on your own. You just have to put in a little effort. It is exposure to light that causes the curl in lucky bamboo. You just have to know how to control the light correctly. Things you will need: cardboard box, scissors, light source. Get a box that is large enough to fit over the bamboo. There should be some extra room in the box above the bamboo. The plant will continue to grow while it's curling and will need some space. Cut the flaps in one side off of the box. When you are done, the box should be able to sit upside down on the floor and have one open side. Point the open side of the box toward light. You can use either artificial light or sunlight, but brighter light will work slightly faster. Lucky bamboo will grow in the direction of the light. Check your lucky bamboo plant daily. As soon as you notice the plant bending toward the light, rotate the plant 1 inch. The plant will continue to bend toward the light. Keep turning the plant about an inch in the same direction every time it develops a new bend. You will eventually end up with a complete curl. But be patient. Lucky bamboo is such a slow grower that this process can take a year or more to complete.